So this is an event trigger test on different screens. So when you turn the knob, the screen changes, and then a different sound should play for each screen. So we'll give it a go. This is just sort of on this one, the test screen. So that one works. I'll just go backwards. So now we're on screen 5. And this sound stops as soon as you release the button, and it keeps playing once pressed. So we'll go number. Oops. And screen 3. Alright, so sort of how this works is this is the adapter board for this device. I have the RX and TX signals. They go to the MP3 player. The MP3 player is this MP3 TF 16p. And then it goes to the MP3 player, connects to the amplifier. This is a Class D. I forget the specs on it, but that's that. And I have a power source going from this battery pack, and I believe that power source powers the MP3. Yeah. And then the amplifier is plugged in to a 12-volt AC adapter, AC to DC 12-volt adapter. And then of course I got a little speaker here, which it's connected to the amplifier. And yeah, I think that's it.